The question for today is, how do I know if my car needs an alignment? Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So there's two typical things that alignment will affect on a car. The primary one is tire wear. So we're going to look at how we can tell if the tires are wearing that would indicate we need an alignment. The second thing is the car drifting or pulling one way or the other? Do I have to constantly continue to correct for a direction? And then thirdly, the steering wheel might be off center. Now, I want you to understand that if you have any sort of vibration, that's not going to be an alignment issue. There's a number of other things it could be, but it's not going to be an alignment. So don't spend the money on alignment to try to solve a vibration. So first of all, if your steering wheel is off center, pretty straightforward. Could use an alignment. Second of all, if the car is drifting or pulling one way or the other and you're constantly having to correct for it, it might be an alignment, but it also might be a tire rotational drag issue. So a lot of times what we'll do is the first thing we do is we take the front tires and we cross them side to side. If the car was pulling one way and now it's pulling the other, the alignment's not causing that. The problem with an alignment is we can't physically see it. We have to put it on some equipment that can tell us what the angles of everything is. So the third thing we're going to look at is the tire wear. And if we look at this car, even though the tire's worn quite a bit, it's relatively even at the two outside edges. We're looking for is the wear about the same here and here. If it's significantly different, this one's only slightly different, it's slightly more worn on the out than the inside. But if it's significantly different, then we have an issue. If you look at my feet, if the tires are worn on the outside, then I probably have toe in because it's dragging the outside. If they're worn on the inside, I probably have toe out and we need to get it aligned. Many of the cars don't have a lot of adjustments for that pulling that I talked about, so it's usually tires. So I hope this has helped you understand a little bit about what alignments are and when you need to know you got to do one. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.